Exercise makes you smarter, this is why.
Introduction.
For decades, a pervasive stereotype has existed in schools and society at large: the dichotomy between the nerdy intellectual and the dumb jock. This oversimplification suggested that individuals were either academically gifted or physically adept, but rarely both. However, recent scientific discoveries have not only debunked this myth but have also revealed a fascinating connection between physical exercise and cognitive abilities. This article explores the surprising ways in which exercise can actually make you smarter. The evolution of brain science.
The fixed brain myth.
Until relatively recently, the scientific community held a belief that the human brain was largely fixed after reaching adulthood. Brain cell count was thought to be predetermined at birth. Adult brains were believed incapable of generating new neurons. Cognitive decline was seen as an inevitable part of aging. This perspective painted a rather bleak picture of human cognitive potential, suggesting that intelligence was largely predetermined and unchangeable. The breakthrough, neuroplasticity. In the mid-1990s, a groundbreaking study aimed at preventing Alzheimer's disease uncovered something remarkable. The research identified three key factors that could help prevent cognitive decline: continuous learning and education, self-efficacy and positive mindset,
physical exercise.
While the first two factors were somewhat expected, the third came as a surprise. How could physical exercise, seemingly unrelated to brain function, play such a significant role in cognitive health? The mice that ran, Karl Kottmann's discovery. Intrigued by the connection between exercise and brain health, scientist Karl Kottmann conducted a pivotal experiment. Mice were divided into two groups, one with access to running wheels, one without. After 7 to 14 days, the mice's brains were examined. Results showed that the exercising mice had thicker cortexes, where long-term memories are stored, larger hippocampi, centers for learning and short-term memory. This study provided concrete evidence that physical exercise could literally grow the brain, challenging long-held beliefs about brain plasticity. The brain-movement connection. Why we have brains. To understand why exercise impacts our brains so profoundly, we need to consider the primary function of the brain. The brain's main purpose is to perform adaptable complex movements. Neurophysiologist Rodolfo L. Linas stated, "Only a mobile creature needs a brain." This idea is illustrated by the sea squirt, a creature that digests its own brain once it attaches permanently to a rock, no longer needing to move. Exercise and brain activation. Physical activity engages multiple brain regions simultaneously. Motor control, balance and coordination, spatial awareness, decision-making. This multifaceted brain engagement during exercise explains its profound cognitive impact. The science of exercise and brain growth. BDNF, the brain's fertilizer. One of the key mechanisms through which exercise enhances brain function is by increasing levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF. BDNF is a protein that stimulates the production of new brain cells. It strengthens existing neurons. It's found in brain areas vital to learning, memory, and higher thinking. BDNF acts like fertilizer for the brain, nourishing brain cells and promoting synaptic growth. The impact of exercise on BDNF. Studies have shown remarkable effects of exercise on BDNF levels. Just 20 to 40 minutes of exercise can increase BDNF in the blood by 32%. Increased BDNF levels correlate directly with improved learning rates. A German study found that people learn vocabulary words 20% faster after physical activity. Exercise and academic performance. The link between physical fitness and academic achievement has been substantiated by several studies. California Department of Education findings. Students with higher fitness scores consistently achieved higher test scores. A 2001 study showed that fit kids scored twice as well on academic tests as unfit children. The Naperville Revolution. Naperville, Illinois, provides a compelling case study of how prioritizing physical fitness can lead to academic excellence. The school district implemented a cutting-edge PE program based on fitness research. Results after 20 years. Only 3% of students were overweight, compared to 33% nationally. Students ranked 6th in math and 1st in science globally in the TMSS test. 97% of 8th graders participated in the test, indicating widespread improvement. The evolutionary perspective. Our brain's response to exercise makes sense from an evolutionary standpoint. Humans evolved as hunter-gatherers, moving 10 to 14 miles daily. Physical activity signaled important events: hunting, escaping danger. Rest indicated a lack of significant occurrences. This ancient mechanism persists. Movement primes our brain for learning and memory formation, optimizing exercise for cognitive benefits. While any exercise is beneficial, certain types and schedules can maximize cognitive gains.
Best types of exercise.
High-intensity aerobic exercise, e.g., running, cycling. Activities involving complex motor movements, e.g., tennis, dancing. Optimal duration and frequency. 20 to 40 minutes of exercise in the morning is ideal. Benefits typically last 2 to 4 hours. Breaking exercise into smaller segments throughout the day can extend benefits. Practical applications. Understanding the cognitive benefits of exercise can inform how we approach education and personal development. Schools. Integrating more physical activity into the school day can enhance learning readiness and academic performance. Workplaces. Encouraging exercise breaks or active meetings could boost productivity and creative problem-solving. Personal learning. Engaging in physical activity before studying or learning a new skill can enhance retention and understanding. Mental health. Regular exercise can improve mood, reduce stress, and potentially alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety. Conclusion: exercise as a cognitive enhancer. While exercise won't instantly transform you into a genius, it provides a powerful tool for enhancing your brain's potential. It primes your mind for learning and information processing. It increases neuroplasticity, allowing for better adaptation and skill acquisition. Regular physical activity can lead to long-term improvements in cognitive function. The key is to combine exercise with purposeful learning and mental engagement. By doing so, you're not just building a healthier body, but also cultivating a sharper, more adaptable mind. In essence, the age-old saying healthy body, healthy mind has gained new meaning in light of these scientific discoveries. By lacing up our running shoes or engaging in other forms of exercise, we're not just working out our bodies, we're giving our brains a significant boost, paving the way for enhanced learning, better memory, and improved overall cognitive function.